The Link is Airlink's flagship corporate social investment program. The program identifies gifted youth from low-income backgrounds within the Airlink domestic network and exposes them to opportunities in aviation through STEM education. Welcome to the Link Winter Camp 2024. This year's Winter Camp took place in Pretoria, Gauteng. The 2024 Winter Camp is the first for the new cohort of Linkers from Polokwane.
My name is Orabile Monogwena. I'm in grade 10 from Capricorn High School in Polokwane, and I'm a new Linker.
My name is Lipika Sharp. I am in grade 10 in Hoërskool Northern in Limpopo in Polokwane.
When I found out that I was selected to be part of the Link program, I was very excited. My mom called me while she was at work, and me and her started squealing over the phone.
My first flight, to be honest, it was really exciting, but it was a bit scary when we got to the landing part.
For me, it was kind of the opposite. I liked the landing much better than the takeoff. The takeoff was much scarier for me. The first day here at camp, I really loved it because we were focusing on a lot of soft skills, and we were going into in-depth topics like goal setting, branding yourself, how to design your career, and all those type of things. I really liked it because we were focusing on how the mind works and how you're able to control yourself in situations. And since we don't really go into those topics deep enough at school or LO, things like that, it's very interesting to know how the Link caters to our minds more than just how we are going to be moving forward in STEM research and all those things. I really loved it.
My name is Simanye Fese. I'm from the Eastern Cape, Port Elizabeth. I school at Kwezi Lomso Comprehensive School, grade 12. Today's technical session was about mechatronics. It was amazing. It was very innovative, very educative, and as a person who would like to pursue a mechanical engineer degree next year, it was a step in the right direction. Mr. Wasim made it very accommodative, and he allowed us to engage, allowed us to ask questions, and it made the session very easy.
As part of the Winter Camp experience, Linkers visit educational sites of interest in order to gain practical experiences that inspire and inform.
My name is Kensani Mkabala, and I'm from Capricorn High School in Polokwane, Limpopo.
My name is Chatham Mabola. I'm from Flora Park in Limpopo.
Today we are at the Airlink AMO, where we got to learn about flight theory and how a jet engine works.
We saw different types of airplanes and their components. They taught us how each component works.
The session with Tony truly evoked a sense of curiosity and more love for aviation.
My name is Liso Zihlangu. I am currently studying grade 12 in Nyanga High School in Ngcobo, but I'm originally from Butterworth in the Eastern Cape.
I am Inam Bobo, and I am doing grade 12 at Sokhaisa Senior Secondary School in the Eastern Cape. I'm from Gqeberha. So we went on a tour in the University of Pretoria. It was so nice. We met our tour guide, Uputkageso. He was a very kind person, and he was understanding, From the get-go, we asked him a lot of questions, but he was never tired. He answered us, and he made sure that we had clarity on everything,
I especially got excited when we got to the Faculty of Information Science because I want to become a computer scientist. Supposedly, the engineering building was built from top to bottom. So I don't know how that works, but surely when we get to UP, we will understand how that works.
After the job shadowing experience, alumni presented their insights and lessons learned. The Link program is dedicated to empowering alumni and ensuring that they are not only job ready, but also poised for success in their chosen careers. The Link graduation is an inspirational occasion during which the Link community celebrates the remarkable achievements of Linker alumni who have recently achieved their qualifications.
Greetings to everyone. I am Zama January, and I'll be your MC for today. It is such an honor to be celebrating our graduates, which is the Linker alumni.
The program has been running since 2016. So it's been 8 years of us doing what we do, doing what we love. And I think I speak for everyone who's in the team, not just Airlink staff, but also our service providers, that to a certain extent, when we count our blessings, we count you guys twice, simply because you've given us an opportunity to do what we love.
Tonight, we are honoring Oyama, who graduated undergrad. Also Tuto, who graduated with her honors this year. Omolimo, who graduated undergrad as well, and she's going to be doing her honors. We have Rose, also who graduated last year undergrad, and Kotsi graduated undergrad. And also Sitobile, she graduated undergrad and continuing with her studies.
Throughout your journey, you have shown us the true meaning of resilience. I am quite sure that you have faced some challenges during your BCom in accounting years, but your commitment to your goals has been nothing short of admiration, and it serves as a testament of your strength of character. Here's to your success, your happiness, and all the amazing adventures yet to come. Cheers.
First of all, I'd like to thank Dr. Namhla also for giving us this opportunity. Honestly, looking back, I think these documentaries were really a great idea, because we really never get that chance to look back and take in the growth that has happened in our lives, and just seeing that for the first time today, and hearing my parents, what they think of me. So that meant so much to me, and I just want to say thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you have heard, my name is Sintish Bumbangi, and I am a member of the Link Alumni Association. Dr. Alice Mokoena is a seasoned marketing, media and advertising and tech professional with a PhD in business administration, with over 26 years of corporate experience in various roles and industries, including FMCG, banking, media and technology. Let's welcome Dr. Mokoena.
There should be no reason why you cannot achieve your full potential. Life happens, there's challenges. You have no control over those challenges. That's a given. But you do have the power to choose.
We cannot say that this is the end for you, but a beginning, a beautiful new beginning. So I urge you to carry it forward and dream big. I always say there is one thing that you have to do, is once your dream becomes true, or you think your dream comes true, please encourage others, because you now have the power, and you have been empowered with amazing skills to take South Africa and the world by storm. Thank you and congratulations.